Welcome back to Travel Destinations. Are you dreaming of traveling but worried about the cost? No problem. Here are some simple ways to travel on a budget and still have an awesome trip. Before we get started, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now let's get started. Plan ahead. The key to budget travel is meticulous planning. Start by establishing a budget for your trip. Determine how much you can afford to spend on accommodations, transportation, meals, and activities. Once you have a budget in mind, start researching and booking your trip well in advance. This will give you more time to find the best deals on flights, accommodations, and activities. Go off-peak. Traveling during off-peak seasons can save you a significant amount of money. Prices for flights, accommodations, and attractions are often lower during less busy times of the year. Additionally, you'll also avoid the crowds that come with peak travel seasons, allowing you to enjoy a more peaceful and relaxing experience. Be flexible. Flexibility is key when it comes to budget travel. Stay open-minded about your travel dates and destinations. Prices can vary greatly depending on factors such as the day of the week, time of year, and even the time of day. By remaining flexible with your plans, you'll have a better chance of finding the best deals and saving money on your trip. Use public transport. Instead of relying on expensive taxis or rental cars, opt for public transportation options such as buses, trains, or subways. Not only are these modes of transportation more budget-friendly, but they also allow you to experience more of the local culture and scenery. Many cities also offer multi-day transit passes, which can provide additional savings for budget-conscious travelers. Cook your own meals. Dining out at restaurants can quickly eat into your travel budget. Save money by preparing some of your own meals. Look for accommodations with kitchen facilities where you can cook your own food, or visit local markets to pick up fresh ingredients. Not only is cooking your own meals more budget-friendly, but it also allows you to experience the local cuisine in a more authentic way. Find free activities. Many destinations offer a wealth of free or low-cost attractions and activities. Look for free walking tours, museums with designated free days, parks, and other outdoor spaces where you can relax and explore without spending a dime. Additionally, be sure to take advantage of any free events or festivals happening during your visit. Try street food. Street food is often delicious, authentic, and affordable. Sampling the local street food is not only a budget-friendly way to eat, but it also allows you to experience the culinary culture of your destination firsthand. Just be sure to choose vendors that appear clean and reputable to avoid any food safety issues. Travel with friends. Traveling with friends can help you save money by splitting the cost of accommodations, transportation, and activities. Consider planning a group trip with friends or family members to share expenses and maximize savings. Not only will traveling with companions help you save money, but it can also enhance the overall experience by creating lasting memories with loved ones. Stay in budget-friendly accommodations. Accommodations can often be one of the biggest expenses of any trip. Consider staying in budget-friendly options, such as hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals, instead of splurging on luxury hotels. These types of accommodations are not only more affordable, but they also provide unique opportunities to connect with other travelers and immerse yourself in the local culture. Explore off-the-beaten-path destinations. Instead of sticking to popular tourist hotspots, consider venturing off the beaten path to discover hidden gems. These lesser-known destinations are often less crowded and more budget-friendly, allowing you to stretch your travel dollars further. Additionally, exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations can provide a more authentic and immersive travel experience, allowing you to connect more deeply with the local culture and community. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing fun or missing out on amazing experiences. With careful planning, flexibility, and creativity, you can enjoy an incredible trip without breaking the bank. So go ahead, embark on your budget-friendly adventure, and make unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching Travel Destinations. Happy travels!